Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel, our cosmic ventures where we explore the wonders of the cosmos. Today, we're taking a journey to the distant world of Pluto, the dwarf planet that captured our hearts and minds. So grab your telescopes, and let's dive into the mysteries of Pluto. Pluto, once considered the ninth planet in our solar system, was discovered in 1930 by astronomer Clyde Tombaugh. Its discovery ignited excitement and curiosity among scientists and the public alike. But why isn't Pluto considered a planet anymore? Let's explore the reasons behind its reclassification. To be classified as a planet, an object must orbit the Sun, have sufficient mass to assume a nearly round shape, and clear its orbit of other debris. While Pluto meets the first two criteria, it fails to clear its orbit of other debris. Its orbit intersects with Neptune's, and it resides within the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy objects. This led to the International Astronomical Union reclassifying Pluto as a dwarf planet in 2006, alongside other celestial bodies like Eris and Haumea. But don't let its small size fool you. Pluto has a lot to offer. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made a historic flyby of Pluto, providing us with unprecedented views of this distant world. The images captured by New Horizons revealed a diverse and dynamic world with towering mountains of ice, vast plains, and intriguing geological features. Pluto's complex surface hints at a geologically active past, with processes such as cryovolcanism shaping its landscape. And let's not forget about Pluto's largest moon, Charon, which shares a unique relationship with its parent planet. Charon is more than half the size of Pluto, making the pair a binary system rather than a traditional planet-moon relationship. So, while Pluto may no longer be classified as a planet, it remains a captivating world worthy of our exploration and study. And there you have it, folks. The incredible story of Pluto, the dwarf planet that continues to inspire us to reach for the stars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the universe.